we take a look at this brushed brass Zippo lighter bearing the emblem of the Remington Arms Company. Over the handful of years in collection, the otherwise shiny brass has now accumulated a bit of an age, some tarnishes. And here is something quite remarkable. If you look at here, you will see a fingerprint marking, and that actually belonged to me. Reason being, back then I did not wear gloves as I'm doing now while handling this lighter, and this is the result that can happen. Fingerprint markings on brass Zippo lighters can leave its mark over the period of time. Here's another unique thing about the lighter. It's not the usual bottom stamp circulated around. At its left it says 1932, at its right it says 1992. Why would that be? Could this be a salesman sample? If anyone knows, do drop your comments below. I hope to have a good discussion about it. It's a brass plated insert. And looking at the insert date mark, there is a month, D of April, but looking closely now, there is no year of production being found to be stamped. Yep, that's a little bit bizarre, I guess. Lighter is in an unfired state. Flint removed to prevent powdering and corrosions. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. As of now, everyone, do stay safe and have a great one.